Uh, now let's take a look at the switch function in Excel. The switch function in Excel compares a value to a list of possible match result pairs and return the result of the appropriate match. Say you want each number spelled out rather than in numerical form. Type in this formula to reference the value in cell A1 and return the matching result of 1. So if you want to switch A1 from a 1 to a the text 1, this is what you type in: equal WITCH open parenthesis A1 comma 1 comma 1. That's a text. Close parenthesis. There you go. Next. Now let's add another match result pair so our formula can handle more numbers. Type in the formula, the following formula. It will return 1 if the value is 1 and 2 if the value is 2. Right? So you go equal switch open parenthesis A1 comma 1, then you return ONE double quote comma 2, then double quote TWO double quote, and then close parenthesis. Alright, so what would the result of the following formula be? Equal switch open parenthesis A1 comma 1 comma the word 1 comma 2 comma the word 2 comma 3 comma the word 3 close parenthesis. So just pause, think of the answer. Once you think you get the right answer, come back and check. Okay, so this switch function, it tests for A1, right? So in A1 you see the number 1. So when you see number 1, the first pair 1, then you return 1 is correct because the value is 1. So the answer will be 1. Alright. What would the result of the following formula be? Equal switch open parenthesis A3 comma 1 comma the word 1 comma 2 comma the word 2 comma 3 comma the word 3, and then close parenthesis. So check with pause, think of the answer, and then you gotta come back once you think you got the right answer. Okay, so let's evaluate this equation. Equal switch open parenthesis, they check for A3. So down here you're looking at A3, you see the number 3. So is it a number 1? No, you skip. Is it a number 2? No, you skip. Is it a number 3? Yes, it's gonna return the 3, the word 3. Okay. The switch function also allow an optional default value at the end. The function will return the default value if none of your value of our value match the value in the cell we're referencing. Try typing in the following formula, which return unknown if the value doesn't match any of your condition. Okay, so it's equal switch A1 comma 1 comma ONE 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 and comma, and then if nothing, then you go okay, no, right, or close parenthesis, enter. Right, so what would this formula returns? Equal switch A5 comma 1 comma word 1 comma 2 comma word 2 comma 3 comma word 3, or comma unknown, or close parenthesis. So just think of the answer and come back once you think you got the right one. Okay, so let's evaluate this one. So this switch function, we're looking for A5. So you go all the way down to A5. You see that's a 5, right? So is it a 1? No, you skip. Is it a 2? No, you skip. Is it a 3? No, you skip. And then it will return unknown, right? So there we go. What would this formula returns? Equals switch A6 comma open parenthesis A6 comma 1 comma the word 1 comma 2 comma the word 2 comma 3 comma the word 3 comma the word unknown, and then close parenthesis. Let's pause and come back once you think you got the right answer. Okay, let's see this one. Evaluate this one. So this switch function looking for A6. So here in A6, as you can see, it's a blank. So is it a 1? No. Is it a 2? No. Is it a 3? No. So it's going to be an unknown. There we go. So that's it for the switch function. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will post more content every week. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.